How do cultural differences impact global engineering ethics? Imagine a world where engineers from different countries collaborate on a project that could affect millions of lives. While their technical skills might be equally impressive, their understanding of ethical responsibilities can vary significantly. This variation stems from diverse cultural backgrounds shaping perceptions of right and wrong, influencing decision-making in engineering practices worldwide. Cultural differences impact global engineering ethics in several key ways. First, the concept of safety can differ across societies. In some cultures, prioritizing safety measures and strict adherence to regulations is viewed as essential, reflecting a collective approach to well-being. In others, economic considerations or project deadlines might take precedence, leading to compromises that could pose risks. For example, in certain regions, engineers might feel pressured to overlook safety standards to meet client demands or reduce costs, which can conflict with universal ethical principles emphasizing public safety. Second, the perception of environmental responsibility varies among cultures. Some nations emphasize sustainability and environmental protection as core ethical values, integrating these principles into engineering standards. Conversely, other regions may focus more on economic growth, sometimes at the expense of environmental concerns. This divergence influences how engineers approach projects involving natural resources, waste management, or pollution control, shaping the ethical landscape of their work. Third, notions of transparency and accountability are culturally rooted. In some societies, open communication and accountability to the public are highly valued, fostering ethical practices that promote trust and integrity. In contrast, other cultures might prioritize hierarchical decision-making or confidentiality, which can complicate efforts to maintain ethical standards, especially when conflicts of interest or corruption are involved. Furthermore, respect for local customs and traditions influences ethical decision-making. Engineers working internationally must navigate differing societal norms, which can sometimes clash with global standards of safety, environmental stewardship, or fairness. Balancing these differences requires cultural sensitivity and a nuanced understanding of ethical principles that transcend borders. In conclusion, cultural differences shape how engineers interpret and apply ethical principles across the globe. Recognizing and respecting these variations is essential for fostering ethical collaboration, ensuring safety, protecting the environment, and maintaining public trust in engineering endeavors worldwide.